How to speed up a Canva video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Then click on Create at the top left corner of your screen. Select Presentation or any format you want. I am selecting Presentation. Then on the left side, you will find Uploads. At the top, I'm just going to search a video. You can also upload your own video you want to speed up. Select the video and then it will be added in your white sheets. You can resize it. Now if you click on it, you'll find Edit at the top. Click on Edit at the top. After that, on the left side, scroll down and you'll find Video Speed. To speed up, what you can do is drag your white circle on the right side. The video speed limit is 2x. If you want to do it more, you can save it and redo the same video again and again. And this is how to speed up a Canva video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.